Do you know that in 1917, a Canadian harbor city was obliterated by the largest man-made explosion before the atomic bomb? It happened in Halifax, Nova Scotia, a vital port during World War I. On the morning of December 6th, the French cargo ship Mont Blanc entered Halifax harbor loaded with TNT, picric acid, and benzol, more than 2,900 tons of explosives. As it passed another vessel, Imo, the two collided. Sparks flew, fires broke out, and within minutes, the doomed ship drifted toward shore, burning like a torch. Crowds gathered along the waterfront, curious. Then, at 9:04 a.m., the world ended. The explosion vaporized the Mont Blanc. A fireball 1,000 feet high tore through the sky, flattening 2 square miles of Halifax. Windows shattered 50 miles away. A pressure wave snapped trees, hurled locomotives, and flung ships onto land. More than 1,900 people died instantly, and 9,000 were injured. Thousands were blinded by flying glass. The harbor turned to steam. A tsunami followed, washing bodies into the icy bay. In the hours after, a blizzard swept in, freezing survivors in the ruins. Relief trains came from Boston and beyond. Together, Canadians and Americans rebuilt the city from ashes. Every Christmas since, Halifax sends Boston a giant tree, a living thank you for their help on that terrible day. The Halifax explosion changed how the world handled shipping and explosives forever. A single spark, and an entire city vanished.